This is the Best Choice 3-piece outdoor wicker bistro set in black. It's a stylish and functional addition to any outdoor space, and this patio dining conversation furniture set is designed to enhance the ambiance of your backyard, balcony, or porch, providing a cozy and inviting atmosphere for relaxation and socializing. This set was very easy to put together. It came with detailed instructions and all the necessary tools needed to assemble it. I was pleasantly surprised with the high-quality wicker material, and I could tell that it was made to withstand all the outdoor elements. It has a sturdy steel frame to ensure durability and stability. The table even has suction cups to prevent the tempered glass from falling off. They really thought of every detail. There are also adjustable knobs on the back of legs of each chair and on the small table, so nothing will ever wobble, even on the most uneven surfaces. I love the diamond weave design. It adds such a touch of sophistication and elegance to my outdoor area. The cushions are also soft but durable. The seats are wide and ergonomic, making it very comfortable for guests of all sizes. In summary, the Best Choice Products 3-piece outdoor wicker bistro set combines style, comfort, and durability to create an inviting outdoor area. With its elegant design, sturdy construction, and easy maintenance, this set offers a convenient and enjoyable way to dine or relax outdoors. So enhance your backyard, balcony, or porch with this versatile bistro set and create memorable moments with loved ones in the comfort of your own outdoor oasis.